All right, so I just wanted to go over how you set out your working for perimeter. So remember, perimeter is all the way around like a fence. So we can see these little marks here mean that all sides are equal length, and we've got 4 sides. So I can see a lot of you did 4 times 2.5, which is awesome. Don't forget we're finding perimeter, so we write P equals for perimeter. And then you can do, oh, I know I've got 4 times 2.5. We ignore the units until the end, and then we write it in. So grab my calculator. So it should be 10, right? Double 2.5 is 5, double 5 is 10. So I'm going to say 10 centimeters there. So you can, you're allowed to use your calculator, but you're also allowed to do it in your head. That's fine, but that's the only bit of working we need there. All right, let's have a look at the next one. Again, we're finding perimeter, so I'm going to write P equals. Now, something to look out for is just check the units. This one's in meters, this length is in meters, but this one's in centimeters. So hopefully we know, or we can remember, that 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So therefore, whenever I'm in meters and I want to go to centimeters, I'm going to multiply by 100. So that's in meters, so if I multiply by 100, I get 120 centimeters. So we can do it in meters or centimeters, but as long as we change them so that they match. So I could change them both to centimeters, or I could change them both to meters. It doesn't matter. So I might do it both ways. So this in centimeters is 120 centimeters. So if I was doing it in centimeters, let's start. If we go all the way around, you can see we've got 2 lots of those sides. So I've got 2 lots of 120s, and I've got 2 lots of these sides. So I've got 2 lots of 30 centimeters. All right, so you can see this is, you don't have to write this line. You can put it straight in your calculator if you would like. But you can see here we're going to get 300, and it's in centimeters. Now, if you did it in meters, we would still have 2 times, but we've got 1.2 in meters for these, for our top and bottom sides, plus we've got 2 lots of, now to change centimeters to meters we do the opposite, so we're going to divide by 100. So we've got 30 divided by 100, there we go, is 0.3 meters. So we're going to put 0.3 there. So again, you could put it straight in your calculator, or you can do each bracket first. And you'll see we will get 3. And remember, now we found it in meters. So if it tells you what to do, like it does here, it says meters, we'll do it in meters. But otherwise, you can choose which to do it in. All right, let's have a look at the last one. So here we've got, we're finding perimeter, so we write P equals. You can check, are they all in the same units? Meters, meters, meters. Yes, they're all in the same units. All right, so you can see if I start, for example, here, I've got 22, and then I've got 16, and then I've got 18. Oh, there were 2 lots of 16, so I could have, this side's the same as this, so I could have said 2 lots of 16s, or I could just put 16 there. Okay, so you can, again, so you can just pop it in your calculator, or you can do your working to the side if you want to practice doing some mental arithmetic. And then you put your answer. Notice my equals are under each other, and then don't forget the units on that last line. All right, so if you're finding perimeter, you write P equals. Hope that helps.